Well, hello everybody, Rollo here, and welcome to a special episode of Jurassicraft 2. There's been a new pre-release. Yes, look at this. Pre-release 5 came out on Christmas Day, 2015, December 25th, and it's ready to go, really, and try out. But before we start it, I need to just go through a couple of things. Whereas the last pre-release was for Minecraft 1.8. This one, as you see from this picture, is Minecraft 1.8.8. Therefore, before you even start, you need to go to your Minecraft, you need to create a new profile and create it for release 1.8.8, because you have to play, well, you don't have to play it, all you have to do is load that particular profile to ensure that Minecraft has downloaded a 1.8.8 set of files, because you won't be able to play it without. So another new thing for this pre-release is you can download from the download button. That download link there in the planetminecraft.com page, which I'll leave a link in the bottom of the description, can then get you the latest pre-release 5, and it says pre-release 5 on the jar. You will also need LLibrary or LLibrary. Now you need the 1.8 version, which is 062. You have to go and download that. You have to find the curse page for that, and you have to download LLibrary 06.2 for Minecraft. And I'm going to show you in a minute what's in my mod folder, and we'll work from that. So you need 1.8.8 Minecraft. You need to have that as running once. Shut the Minecraft back down. You need to have downloaded Jurassicraft 2 pre-release 5 and the LLibrary for 1.8.8. That's the 062 version. Again, there we go. Before you even start. So what's new in Jurassicraft 2? Right, well, let's go and have a look and see. So here we are then. All you have to do is go and click on the updates on the same page and you'll get this. So they've been making quite a lot of work behind the scenes, and we'll see some of those in the video as we go along. They've created new dinosaur eating schedules, so that I think that's really to stop the dinos eating like mad. They were constantly eating, so they will now eat at certain times in the day, which is absolutely brilliant because it just stops them dying all the time. Dinosaur sleeping schedules, yes, we will see the Pachycephalosaurus, how it sleeps and how it gets back up, and a couple of other dinosaurs have had some changes, but they happen at night, which I haven't been able to see yet. We've got the update to 1.8.8, but that does in itself create a number of issues in terms of it doesn't work with other mods. I haven't been able to get it to work with any other 1.8.8 mods, which is really sad because I use a number of mods for my filming, which means that at the moment I will not be using this version to continue my series because it doesn't work with World Edit, it doesn't work with shaders. I've tried that. I've tried different versions of shaders. The shaders G7 for 1.8.8 work with Forge 1591, but they won't work with this. So it would have been good just to keep the 1.8, I'm afraid. Sorry, Jurassicraft. 1.8 would have been good to stay like that, so we could all keep filming like we keep filming, and then once you've got it all working in 1.8.8 you could have then updated it. New animations, yeah, I've noticed the dinos doing new things, like the flappy birds are standing and stuff. There's tweaking of the animation system, more realistic animations where you have to watch and look at those. The flappy dino, as we just mentioned, is fully functional. Decreased file size, yeah, it's much smaller this time. And squash some nasty bugs, don't know what they were. Oh, this dino growth game rule, not tested it out yet, but this will be brilliant, because if you can freeze dino growth, for example, if you want to just keep baby dinos and stop them growing, you could have the dinos stop growing, so you can set them in when you want. So that's really cool. New item textures, yes, we've had a load of new textures, of course. Natural spawning dinos config option, which we already showed you. Config GIU, that's what we showed you in the mod section. There's some new overlay textures for dinosaurs, giving them more variation. I haven't seen these. We've got the Velociraptor and Dimorphodon. Now we did have those for age, so maybe some different textures there. I haven't seen that. Music discs, yes, we've got some new Jurassicraft music discs. Oh, herding. You know the animals that herd and run together, we got this herding AI, which you will see where they all sort of congregate together. I think it needs some more work, but we shall see. And then we shall see the new action figures. Yes, still haven't worked out what the secret feature is yet, but we should go and see. So, a Merry Christmas from the Jurassicraft team. So let's go and show you some of the things you just need to consider when loading up Minecraft, and then we shall be on the way to show you the new stuff in the mod. Brilliant. So just show you, here's how my mods folder looks like. You can see clearly that I've got the pre-release 5 in there. I've got the LLibrary 0.62 1.8jar, and I've got the Optifine. That's my version of Optifine. Now it does work, but it is temperamental, guys and girls, so get your Jurassicraft working first, and then you can use your Optifine. So that's the best way of looking at it. So let's also have a look at the Minecraft folder. So everybody, you can see here we have got Minecraft up and running. We are on, as I said before, Minecraft 1.8.8. We are in Forge 1591, and I'm running Optifine 1.8 HD G7. Tried G9, it's really incompatible, doesn't work. But however, it does work, and sometimes it doesn't work on different computers. It will not run the shaders with Jurassicraft 2 at the moment. No way. And you can see that the Forge version that I've got, there you go, that's the 6th new Forge version is available, but I don't want to download it. Right, okay. Now, something of importance, it's got a new feature in the mods. You click the mods, do you see that? Click the mods folder. You go to Jurassicraft, and if you go to config, you have got new things to look at. So this is highly important, as I'll show you now, because look, we've got a new fantastic thing. Jurassicraft mobs spawn naturally. Allow entities to spawn naturally during world generation, and you can have it true or false. So if you want it true, like I've set it up, you have to restart Minecraft and come back. Now, one word of warning, if I highlight over here, to get the dinosaurs to spawn at the moment, you have to have this on true. I wanted just dinosaurs and didn't want the vanilla mobs, but it wouldn't work. So we just have to keep it at the moment to all true, okay? And leave it at that. So make sure you've got that set. If you don't want dinosaurs to spawn naturally, as I'm going to show you now, then get those to false. Highly important. You can do that before loading up an old world. So if you don't want your old world messed up, again, as I say, don't allow you to do this first of all. Right, so we're pressed done, and what we're going to do is we are going to, so when we get to new world, I'm going to put it into creative. I'm going to call it, because I've already got one of these, so I'm going to call it Jurassicraft 2 1.8.8 pre-5 test. That's different to that one. So we're just going to leave it as a normal world generation. Going to create a new world and watch what happens. This is amazing. It's got, remember, this is just a pre-release. They've ironed out some old bugs, but there are some bugs, as you will see. I'm getting good frame rates as well, which is really impressive, but you'll see what I mean. Do you see that? There was a dino. Dun, 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 dun. There's another one over there. Dun, 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 dun. Getting 40 frames a second. Whoa, big boys. Oh, right. As I said about the bugs, now, funnily enough, if I do F3, this is 1.8. This creates an ocean, but it's not an ocean. It's a new biome for 1.8, so I'm not sure why that's working. But you can see, yeah, the fishes are dying, but hey, and you get Tylosaurs also spawning on these, because it does say it's an ocean, but it's not an ocean, so it must be a 1.88 there. So you can see we've got flying dinos in here. Wow, look at these. Cool. I love these. They sit or fly. That's quite interesting. If we can find some more that are sitting, you'll see what I mean. So you'll see that they're spawning everywhere, and there is a bit of lag every now and again, but not often. The only thing is when they do spawn, as you can see, they spawn quite a lot. There's some sitting ones, look, see. So it would be nice if we have one or two and the spawns were not so close together, because look, there are tons. But I must admit, I'm still getting really good frame rates. I thought that with all these dinos you would not get good frame rates, and a lot of them just sit around at the moment, but I'm not really bothered because they do start flying and stuff as you wait. So let's go and have a look what else we got. You never know, we might come across the new dino. Yes, there is one new dino only in this pre-release 5, but it is one of their best. But you can see what happens now. There are hundreds of dinos spawning everywhere. So this is going to be pretty good for a survival world. But there are rather a lot of dinos, so I wouldn't be wanting to create me survival world yet. And these are just flying. They do sit as well, but they're sort of flying at the moment. I wonder if there's any more sitting over here. Yeah, oh, look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? No, they're just flying in position at the moment. Oh, let's see what else we had. No, I had the load sitting down before, which was really cool. And we've got some new biomes over here. Still haven't found... we'll go to desert. I think we'll find them in the desert. There it is. I've forgotten. But there you go. This is a new biome I've found in 1.8.8. It's a bit weird, but it's very interesting. Let's go and see if we can find a new... So we had our first crash there, but guess what? We've come back, and the Pachycephalosaurus. There's a load of new animations in this particular one. That's the Pachycephalosaurus getting up, and they go... hey, look, it's all happening here. So here are the standard positions for the flying creatures, which are really cool. And you can see, I'll come back to Pachycephalosaurus because we're doing it all the time, but look at that. There's a male and female ones there, and they walk on the legs, which is really cool. Right, let's go. Here we go. Pachycephalosaurus, sit down, go to sleep, stand up. It's like a dog, isn't it cool? So there's a load new animations in this as well, which is really cool. And there's one more dinosaur I'm trying to think, but at night as well. Some of the dinos, I think Gigantosaurus, I think it might be, but there you go. Whoa, bit slow down there. There we go. Right. Oh, and maybe I've been testing it out. Maybe I've still got it on 4 gig of RAM. Might be just a bit much for this, but hey, let's just go over here. So yeah, lots of things. This is brilliant, but I think really it's the first test, of course, and there are just too many dinosaurs. I'm lucky. I've got an i7 core processor on this computer, and I've got 64-bit textures, the faithful textures, but it is a bit, and it's only at 16, but it still is a bit... ooh, what is that down there? Oh, it's not more fishes. Oh no, it's different ones. Yeah, so there we go. Right. Oh, these are gorgeous as well. Fantastic, as you can see. Hey, it's Carnotaurus, if I'm right. Yep. Right. Right. Oh, but there's a load of more things to show you as well, which are really cool. Oh, what's over here? We still haven't seen the new dino yet. Still haven't seen it. So I might have to show you separately. Oh, here we are. Here is the gorgeous Pachycephalosaurus. Now, this is one of them, so where is the other lot? Look, you just want to take them home, don't you? They've got to be the cutest Jurassicraft edition in the world. They are just so lovable, even though they come and headbutt you. But there's so much care and attention gone into the head. I know I've seen the other ones. Oh, who's that? They're eating grass. Now, is there any more? Where's the other one? Nope. Here's the other one. This is the blue one. Look at this. I like both types. Look at that. The definition of this mod. Look, the head. The modelers are really, really cool. I think Maybe some of the older models, I mean you've got some of these are good to find ones, older models may have this some sort, look at the 3D type texturing on the side, so whereas maybe we've got like the other models where they don't sort of stick out like that, maybe it's a good turn to maybe update those models. But look, aren't they cool? So there you go, Pachycephalosaurus are two new models, the brown one and the blue one, and they are really cool, but I can't find them anywhere else. So what we're going to do, right, we're going to go and show you the other new stuff. I just like looking at these. They are just so cool, aren't they? Yes, maybe you want to be in the picture. Maybe you want to be in the picture. Let's see. Oh, maybe you can all be in the picture. Oh, there we go. Ooh, turn back around this way, please. Yes, there we go. Let's take that picture. Oh, no, it's gone again. There we go. Right, what we're going to do is I'm now going to take you to another one I created earlier and show you the new features. There's a new super duper feature which I really love, but I've set up something to show that off. So we're going to head over to that world instead. So everyone, welcome to my other world, and again, spawning dinosaurs everywhere. We're testing it out. Again, they haven't moved very far, but I like this where they spawn singularly, but look at this new fantastic feature. I have an amber cane, I have an amber keychain, and I have Mr. DNA keychain. So how did I get these? And oh, what are those little dinosaurs down there? What are they all about? Right, on the new mod we have Jurassicraft merchandise, and I'm going to show you these because they're really cool and I really love them. I'm not sure whether they're entities or just hopefully just art. They don't seem to be slowing down the frame rates. Anyway, you can see that I've got out these three here, and then I've literally got every single dino action figure all the way down to they're down there. So Tylosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, they're action figures, and what they are, as you shall see now, I'll show you these first of all. The only way I can use these at the moment, I'll put them into picture frames, and you can see. Oh, by the way, I've got the faithful, why it's looking pretty clear is I've got the faithful 64 by 64 texture pack in, so it looks quite good to say the least. I'm going to try out the 3D one as well, but I have just put this one here, so you can see that I've been able to place these into picture frames. I haven't tried anything else and I haven't found out exactly how they work, but they are obviously new. It'd be really nice if you could just put them into a cabinet or something like that. But let's have a look. Oh, got the helicopter. I want to see if that works because it wasn't working. Right, here we go. So back into the menu, you can pick any of these. So if I bring out the Rugops and Gigantosaurus, I think we've already put a Gigantosaurus out actually. Oh, Mojongosaurus. So if we give it one of those, basically, like this one up here, look, you can place them in 4 positions on any block. So if I put this way around, it goes Mojongosaurus, and if I do that way, and then you carry on, and you can do that, but you can't place them on another block. You can't place them on sides, but you can place them like that. And in fact, what I didn't do, no, you can't do angle, it depends. So you can just place them. So what's really cool is if you're making exhibits, when you let the visitors in, you could have this on the post and have it like an exhibit. So that's well cool, isn't it? I really like that. So let's have a look at some of them, because obviously there are 50, 56, 57 different dinos, and this is one of the flying ones in the sitting standing position. And you can see they are literally the size they are, but minute size, so the same scale, sorry. And here we go, nice velociraptor there, and then we have the Dilophosaurus. What would be really cool though is if we could have had that with the side fins coming out. I think that would be good, as spitting fins I call them. That would be really cool like that. And here is, this is the Gigantosaurus, isn't it? But look at that, it's big beast. And down there you'll see the Indominus Rex. So you can see these. Oh, it's blue the Velociraptor. And look at the detail, even down to the sickle claw. It is literally a small version. It's very clever. The modders are really Really cool people. And there you go. They're literally a carbon copy of the Full Sails Dinos. So hopefully they're not entities, because if you had 100 of these in, it'd be like having picture frames. Picture frames slow down. So oh, I've done that twice. So let's just change that to, oh no, let's change that to, what did I bring there? Oh, Rugops. Let's do the Rugops. So remember that. Put it around like that. There you go, Rugops. And here is Indominus Rex. Fantastic. Isn't that cool? And then you can see the Brachiosaurus is a massive one. In fact, no, I don't know how. Let's just have a look. Brachiosaurus. Yeah, it's almost some of them. So they're always that Brachiosaurus. I don't think it ever changes to the other one. I think you just get, yeah, you just get that one. Look at that, the Brachiosaurus. Yeah, absolutely. I actually don't know whether that's now. I'm on 20 frames. Let's just get rid of these. I don't know whether that's actually slowing it down or not. We shall see. So there you have it. That's really, there is one secret feature which I haven't been able to look at yet, but I don't know what it is. So there we go. Hey, let's see if we can get in the helicopter. Can we get in? Oh yes, we're in. Oh, I can't remember now. Oh no, I can't. Click it. Ooh. Oh yes, we're in. We're in. We're in. Did you see that? Just click in. So let's just. Oh no, can't do it. No. Weird. Oh. Oh. So no, the helicopter didn't work to get rid of it, so I don't know what's wrong with that. But hey guys, thanks for the update. It's been brilliant. This is, for me, this is where it should be going, in that we should be able to create survival worlds where you have to go out and survive the dinosaurs. I think ultimately that's where the mod was going. Too many dinos though at the moment, and if you do put it into if I might actually just go and put it into survival just to show you what happens. But for me, just by having the Pachycephalosaurus, it's just so cute. Love it, love it, love it loads. Love it, love it loads. It is a fantastic thing. Very happy to have that new dino. Look at that. That's well cool, isn't it? Well cool. So thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's very short, but I just wanted to show you the new update as it was and as it came out. And so thank you very much indeed for watching. And as you say, I do a series, Jurassicraft series, which we're doing a while at the moment. We've been doing Jurassic World, Jurassic Park San Diego. So there you go. If you want to have a look at that, thank you very much indeed, and bye bye for now. See you next time.